All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. Whew. We're gonna head out to a little late night car meet tonight. First time going to this location. We'll see how it is. I know some people are going to Mexico, but we'll see if we go. We will see if we go. If there's some cars there that I have not ran, we'll line it up. But if not, we just gonna be chilling tonight for real. We'll see. We have an officer over there just chilling, so we're gonna take this slow and by the numbers. At the 650 over here, we are not gonna go out that way. That fella is literally sitting there parked up, probably thinking we're gonna go out that way. No sir, we are not. Not even gonna bother. Forgot to charge up my GoPro batteries too, so if I don't have charged up batteries, I'll tell you that right now. If these aren't at least at like 50%, I ain't doing nothing. I'm for real just gonna be chilling tonight, I'll tell you that. But yeah, let me get over there and we'll see how it is.
One eternity later.
All right, pulled up to a little spot. It's super congested in here. Got my car parked over there. My boy's in too. There's actually some pretty decent cars here, I ain't gonna lie. Color looks nice, I like that. That's pretty badass. All right, we're in Mexico again. We got a Z06, another one. This one is a head-cam 2650. I don't know if it's auto or manual. I think it's automatic, but it's not on like a crazy pulley setup. We'll see how we do against it. Got my car, 650. You have 550 with the ESS on it.
A few moments later.
some more runs in. I said I wasn't gonna race this car again until I pulled it down, but we were at a little late night meet, and you know, there were some cars there that I had not raced yet, so I was like, you know what, we're gonna go ahead and try it out. That black Supra was fast. That was actually a really badass race. I don't usually throw 5th gear anymore in this car, just for the fact that it's just kind of sketchy. Even though I do have the built transmission now, I still don't like throwing 5th gear, but when it's like close like that, ooh, you got to throw it. So that was a nice little 60 to 160. And then we ran the white C7Z. That was an automatic car. It was a heads cam car with the Magnuson 2650, but it wasn't on the super small pulley, or at least the boost level that the white Magnuson 2650 C7Z was on. So that's kind of a good representation of, you know, the different pulleys, you know, that you can run on those C7Zs. It's like, it's pretty crazy. I'm telling y'all right now, man, like the manual C7Zs, like I feel like the off the hit and the top end is ridiculous, especially if you're pulling them down right. That's why I want one so bad, man. I want a C7Z and the Shelby GT350 with a 2650, because I know those second gear hits with, you know, a good amount of boost, heads cam combo, woo-wee, that'd be a nasty stick shift car, because I can hit 160 and 4th in that. This, I have to go to 5th. Technically I should re-gear the car to hit 160 and 4th, but with the Sentry blower and the power that this car is making, like, it wouldn't make sense unless I had like literally probably like 1100 to overpower the lack of low end torque. I have to do a second gear 60 for this car to move out. So good race. I need to wash this car. I have not done that in like 2 weeks because of the weather, and it's going to get shitty again in a couple days. So as soon as we got like a little dry spell, shit, I was outside. Hell yeah, productive weekend for sure. Faux show, ladies and gentlemen. But I'm not gonna run this car for real until I pull it down. I'm not, because I've already ran everybody that I care about racing and some on this 110. So we're gonna retire the 110. That pulley did good, I ain't gonna lie. That 110 did good. I should dyno the car on this Grip Tech 110 to see what it makes, but I kind of don't care. I have an idea. Oh, I know what that 105 standard makes. Woo! It's like another, at least, probably another 70 horsepower. Technically on the dyno it was another 100, but actually, you know what? It might be another 100. This shit might be like 950. Actually, nah, it's too hot for it to make 950. It'll definitely be like, be over 9 for sure. I think the car makes like anywhere between like 850 to like realistically probably 880 right now. It might make 9 STD smoothing 5, but SAE, I know for a fact it's like probably mid to upper 800s, which honestly is still pretty good. All right, it's the next day, back at the casa. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those runs. We are gonna retire the 110 millimeter pulley. It did a good job. The next time we're gonna see the car out in Mexico getting some runs, it's gonna be turned up on the 105. So if you guys do enjoy, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. It's been your boy Ears, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Stay safe out there, y'all. Deuces.